Introducing the BlackVue DR590X series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dashcam. The quality you've come to expect from a BlackVue dashcam in a connected, compact design. Equipped with a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the DR590X captures clear footage even in the darkest of situations. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080 resolution, while the single channel model is capable of recording up to 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical fast-moving moments. Connecting your dashcam is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to use the BlackVue app to customize your settings and download videos right to your smartphone. The optional connectivity module unlocks BlackVue Cloud Lite for your dashcam. You'll be able to enjoy the added benefit of push notifications and remote access without needing an additional data plan. And the built-in voltage monitoring ensures that your dashcam stays powered without draining your vehicle's battery. BlackVue DR590X series. High-quality dashcam, simplified. Find yours at blackvue.com.
The open road is a place of freedom, of new opportunities, a way of life. But with that freedom comes a degree of uncertainty, and drivers can use all the protection they can get. Introducing the new SC Smart Dashcam series from Cobra. With advanced features like high-definition recording, enhanced night vision, and cloud video management that allows you to store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. SC dashcams are ideal for anyone with a desire to drive smarter and safer. They're always looking out for the driver, on the road ahead, behind the vehicle, and even inside the cabin. Built-in G-sensors protect footage automatically before, during, and after emergencies to ease the process of insurance claims. And the Mayday notification lets you send an alert to an emergency contact in the event of an accident. The SC201 even offers an infrared LED interior camera for enhanced nighttime video. Plus, with the Drive Smarter app, drivers will have peace of mind with unprecedented control over their experience on and off the road. And connection to the Cobra community of drivers gives you access to more than 100 million real-time alerts of red light cameras, speed traps, and more. With an SC dashcam from Cobra on your dash, your vehicle becomes smarter. You'll drive smarter, and it'll help keep you and your loved ones safer on the road. Visit cobra.com/dashcams to learn more and start driving smarter today.
What if your rearview mirror were more than a mirror, but an intelligent device? What if it could also show you the front and rear views and record it? Introducing the Rexing M1 Full HD Mirror Dashcam. Capture important traffic incidents with a wide-angle lens and high dynamic range night vision. M1's front camera captures 1296p Full HD video and records audio inside the cabin. The large touchscreen display is multifunctional and easy to use. The built-in gravity sensor auto-detects collisions, and M1 immediately records any accidents, even when the ignition is off. The emergency video lock feature ensures that critical recordings won't get overwritten. As a dual-camera system, M1 also has a rear camera. The rear camera is waterproof and temperature resistant. A wide-angle lens and real-time streaming helps you reduce blind spots. Regular firmware updates and product support means you can enjoy feature enhancements and improvements in performance and security. Rexing M1 Full HD Mirror Dashcam. Engineered for quality. Designed for reliability.
There is a new parking surveillance video. Please open the gallery to view it.
This is the Rexing V2, your roadside witness. V2 is a high-powered premium dashcam. With its distinct dual-channel design, you can capture detailed recordings of the road ahead and behind the wheel. Advanced image sensors with wide dynamic range allow the cameras to perform optimally, adapting to any light condition. Control how you record with single-channel 4K Ultra HD recording or dual-channel simultaneous 1080p Full HD recording. Each V2 lens possesses a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view, covering a far-reaching angle to give you a comprehensive picture inside and outside the vehicle. The sleek, discreet design allows the V2 to be mounted anywhere on the windshield, giving taxi, Uber, Lyft, and other occupational drivers a professional appearance while keeping them secure. Intuitive loop recording overwrites your unlocked oldest files, allowing you to continuously record without interruptions. The cutting-edge G sensor automatically detects collisions, auto-locking the current video on impact to ensure the most important footage is protected. And the ready-to-use built-in Wi-Fi makes viewing, saving, and sharing recordings on your smartphone or tablet easier than ever. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing V2 Dashcam. Capture everything.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.